I'm just going to show you how you can organize folders in your Google Drive. Now, to access your Google Drive, make sure that you have already logged on to your Google account. So you see your account profile here. So if you have not logged in, you can just go to gmail.com or google.com, or you can just sign in from drive.google.com from here. So I've already logged in to my Google account. So over here, I'll come to the Google Apps and then I'll see my Drive. So when you tap on it, you will see your Google Drive. Now, if you don't know, Google Drive is a cloud storage service from Google. Now, if you have Gmail account or if you have a Google account, you can use it to access this for free. And one thing is that they give you 15 gigabytes for you to use it to store any information that you want on your Google account. So if you come to your Google Drive, so this is the Google Drive interface. So you can see information that you have in your Google Drive. As you can see, I have folders here that I've organized. Sometimes it is not advisable just to split your files across your drive like that. Sometimes it makes it very difficult for you to get to some information when you are looking for it, even though there is a search bar here that you can use to search for anything. So now, if you want to create a folder in your Google Drive and load information inside, this is what you do. You just have to tap on the new. Now you can see new folder. Then you have to give your folder a name. So let's assume maybe business document. All right, so this folder, I'll keep all my business document in. So I'll just click on create. And the moment you say create, then you will see it in your Google Drive. So this is a new folder that I've just created on my Google Drive. So you can organize your files here. So how do you organize your files? So you can just open to this. And as you can see, this document or this folder is empty. So if you want to upload files into this particular folder in your Google Drive, you can just simply right click by just right clicking here, and you can just choose file upload. One interesting thing is that you can even upload a whole folder to your Google Drive. So let's assume maybe there is a business file that I want to upload. I'll just tap on it and then choose the file from my computer. So let's assume maybe this Excel file is what I want to load. I'll just tap on it and automatically you can see it uploading into my Google Drive, basically in this business document. So if you come back to the drive, you realize that the file that I just uploaded is not residing inside my Google Drive, but rather is in this document, that is business document. So you can see that the file that I've just uploaded is inside here. So we can verify it by double clicking on it, and then you can see it right here. Now if you come back, you can do that to as many folders that you want to organize. If you already have an existing folder that you want to put in some files, it's the same thing that you do. If you want to get rid of this folder by deleting it, you can simply just right click on it and then move to bin. If you want to change the name, you can just go to rename. If you want to download the folder or some content in it, you can do that. You can simply also share the files to other people that they can have access to the folder. So that is how you can organize folders in your Google Drive. Do this to help you organize a lot of information so that in case you are looking for data, you find it very easy. If this video has been very helpful to you, please don't forget to give it a thumb up and also share it to help others. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if today happens to be your first time. Now keep enjoying and watch the next video.